And welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Modern Warfare 2 or 2.0 is having disconnected from Steam, which is happening for many of the users. So we're going to talk about how to fix this. So what we have to do is, when you're having this particular issue, all you have to do is just follow the instruction, and the first one is all about you have to do a restart on your PC. For that, you just have to go back over here and go to the start icon over here. Now go to this particular icon and go for restart. After restart, try to play the game and you can see the differences, and if it's not working the same, we have to move to the next one. Next one is all about you have to use wired connections. As you can see here, I'm already connected to the Wi-Fi, but this is not quite important as well. So you should be connecting the Wi-Fi. If you're having any connections over there, just connect it directly to the PC, and you can see it's gonna work for some users. This particular step has worked, so they're not solely depending on the Wi-Fi, but even connecting it directly to the back of PC on your CPU back, it's directly connecting the Wi-Fi route has worked for many of the users, and that is what you have to do as the same. Moving to the next one is all about you have to clear Steam cache. For that, you just have to go over here at the top on Steam, go to settings. From here you just have to go to downloads, and now as you can see, clear download cache. So you just have to go for clear download cache. After going through clearing the download cache, might resolve issues downloading or starting apps, and this particular step has worked for many of the users, as I have seen it in the Reddit as well as in the Quora. So just do this. After clearing the cache, you can see the differences, and even if you're having the issue with this, then we just have to move to the next one. That is all about we have to reset WinSock as well as we have to flush DNS. For that, you just have to go over here in the start. Now go to command prompt over here. Now just go for run as an administrator. Now here we have to give the command. So the first one is all about you have to give net ch. I'll be giving this command in the description, so you don't have to worry on this. And once it is done, just press enter. As you can see, we have successfully resetted the WinSock catalog, and this is what you have to do. Parallelly, there is one more step which you have to try out, and that is all about you have to flush DNS. For that, you just have to press, which I'll be giving in the description. You don't have to worry. So you have to give the command, that is ipconfig /flush DNS. And once it is done, just done with this also, as you can see, the Windows IP configuration has been successfully done, and this is what you have to do. Once both these things are done, just do a restart on your PC, then go back to the Steam and try to play the game, and you can see the differences. Moving to the next one is all about you have to verify integrity of game file. So this particular step has worked for many of the users when any files are corrupted, and if any files are having any issues, if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues has been fixed using this. So you just have to go over here on the Call of Duty over here, just have to right click and go to properties and just go for local files, and there is an option called verify integrity of game file. Here you just have to click on this, and once you're done with this, it's going to take a little bit of time because the game is around 66.64 GB, so it's going to take a little bit of time. So what you have to do, just wait for it, so that if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be fixed with this particular step. And you can try this, and this has worked for many of the users as well. And the last and the least one which I would like to make a notice, which you can try out as an additional bonus, is all about you have to depend on your VPN. So use a VPN and try to play the game, and these are the possible workarounds that you have to try out when you're having an issue with Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 or 2.0 get disconnected from Steam, and how you can fix this up. And also I'll be providing all these commands in the description, as well as also I'll be providing link in the description to our article on the website Guitar Tips, where you can refer many more articles on Android, iPhones and iPads, social media, Windows, etc. So that's all about it, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.